Hello, once again, this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. And today, me and my family are going to do a little thing for you, and it's a mystery box opening. We went and we were out earlier and we got 4 boxes from Michael's, and they were only $5, and they're pretty big boxes, you'll see in here in a few minutes. So the 4 of us, we each got a box for $5. I'm sure whatever's in them, most of it the kids will use for crafts or something, but hey, you never know what you're going to get. Anyway, we got 4 boxes. They were originally 10 and maybe even more than that before, and they cleared them down to $5 clearance. So it's always fun to get a mystery box just to see what's in it. So I ask if you're watching my channel, please subscribe to it. It's Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions as always. And my dog is over there sniffing the boxes, and you can see how big they are. They're pretty good sized boxes, so we're going to open those in a few minutes. My dog wants to get in this video, and Dixie, she's a standard poodle. She's a sweet dog, but she's interested in what's in those boxes. I guess she'll find out here in a few minutes. So we'll all 4 of us will take turns, and the other ones will film. As somebody will film for me when I open mine, I'll film for the other 3. So we'll open them and see what we got. You never know what you'll find inside a mystery box. They're kind of fun just to do. Even if you don't get anything worth value, they're fun to do. It was my wife's idea. She found them. She goes, let's get 4 of these. I said, that's cool. I can make a video out of it and people will enjoy it. So follow me on this adventure as we open mystery boxes from Michael's Craft Store. They were $5 boxes. They usually have these. I've never bought one, so it'll be fun to see what's in them. So follow us on this adventure. Well, all right, folks, we're getting ready to open these mystery boxes, and they volunteered me first, so my daughter's going to film while I do mine, and then I'll film everybody else. So here, I'll give the camera to my daughter. You got a knife?
Yeah, the box knife.
So the way I'm going to do it, I don't know how they're going to do it, but I'm just going to open it up, not look, and pull one object out at a time, and we'll see what we got if I can get it open. I'm terrible at opening things. I think that'll do it. So let's see what we got. First item I got is Yarn Heart Craft Kit. Well, Epi will like that. That's pretty good. So far, I mean, $5, we're doing good already. I mean, because my kids love crafts, so there's something my daughter can do already. And the next item is, what is this?
Is that cardboard?
This is a foam sheets. It's another craft item. My daughter can find something to do with it. She loves crafts. She's a great artist. Let's see. Next item is felt sheets. I don't know if it's for like, felt sheets, and this is another craft item. So already we got our $5, so it's well worth. Like
maybe
I said,
even a little over $5 for that, actually, considering.
Yeah, weren't they 10 or something before, or even higher? And
one of those packs would have been $5 guaranteed.
I mean, the boxes themselves were like 10.
Boxes were around 10 to 15 each.
And they dropped it down $5. So our next item, 2 packs of felt sheets again. So she's got different color felt sheets for crafts. She's going to have a lot of, it's like Christmas for her because she loves doing crafts, and so far it's all crafty stuff.
Yeah, it looks like a bunch of Valentine's Day leftovers.
And next,
I love that kind of thing.
We have, cool, hearts. She loves hearts. So for her crafts, it's foam hearts. So there you go. Epi, you're making out here. Next item, more hearts. Her room's gonna look like a heart attack.
That's crazy.
Here we go. Next item. Oh my gosh, more hearts.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Yeah, you're gonna have a heart attack. And we go deeper, and man, there's a lot of items in here.
A box.
Oh, a box.
Wait, no, because I actually
crafts.
love boxes. I'm gonna paint that later.
Yeah, it's one of them cardboard.
I'm gonna paint that so fast.
She's gonna have crafts coming out her butt here, people. She'll have crafts to last her till next year. And another box. Cardboard box.
Organizers.
Oh, well worth over $5. Tell you that right now.
This is like a whole,
And
like
another
almost 40
craft
bucks
box.
in this one box.
Yeah, 3 boxes right there. And like I said, you can get these at Michael's. They have them all the time. After every holiday. So she's right. This was probably
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's
Because it's
Day.
all red and pink.
4 boxes.
Oh, you have another thing.
And definitely, she's having a massive heart attack now. More hearts. And
You want to put all that stuff back in
I'm
there?
gonna put it all back in there. That was my $5 box. It all goes to my daughter.
Yay!
crafts. So you can have it all, Epi.
I made the profit.
She gets all of it. She loves crafts and arts. I think it's great. It's great that she likes that. So
Do you want to take this camera while I go? I can put this somewhere else.
So that was my box. So my daughter's going to try to find somewhere to put that for now.
We'll put this over here.
Speaking of my daughter, she's getting so big. I can't believe how big she is. You haven't seen her on video for a while. Or my wife. So whose box is this?
Forbes.
So Forbes is getting ready to do his box. And you all know Forbes. He's about on almost all my videos. He's my little buddy. He goes to all the conventions with me. Are you ready, Forbes? I'm thinking, now this is just my thinking, it's probably going to be a lot of the same items.
Yeah.
So you might have a lot of duplicates of what you already got, 4 boxes of it.
This will be stuff that they overstocked on.
Hopefully it'll be something different in these, at least 1 or 2 items.
Oh, jeez.
Are you going to do the same thing for
I
this
see
one item?
something.
You ain't supposed to look, remember?
I just happened to
mystery.
peek it. I
It's
saw
a
it
mystery.
on
Oh,
accident,
there's
guys.
Dixie. She wants to get involved. We should have
sit
got
down.
Dixie a box, though. It'd be a little hard. She don't
Dixie
have a
would eat the things in the
posable
box.
thumb, but we would have helped her. Oh, cool. It is different stuff. I can see already. This is awesome.
Hey, you're not
Oh,
supposed
oh
to look.
my
I'm looking
goodness.
at
I'm looking this way.
Wait till you
No,
get
it's like
this
pop-
item. It's one big item. Have fun trying to grab it.
It looks like multiple big items, actually. What
in the world?
Is that a
We all said that. Some kind of little
I
craft.
guess this is from Christmas or something.
Silver bells, silver balls, something.
Yeah, silver balls.
Yeah, silver balls.
Gotta love those.
Everybody wants silver balls.
Oh, Tin Man.
This looks like some kind of tinsel
Tinsel.
tree.
I don't know. It has English, and then it has some other.
It's just for decoration. You put them in a vase.
But, yeah,
and
that does say
make
put
a
'em in
weird,
a vase.
weird arrangement or something. So,
Those are the weirdest flowers I've
so
ever
that's,
seen.
yeah. And then we got, what the heck
It's
is
Santa.
that? It's Santa. So there will. It looks
a
like
blue
something
Santa.
else. I'm sorry, but
Hey.
but
Family
we'll try to
friendly.
be PG here. But we'll save it for Christmas.
Wait. Let me see Santa. Let me see
The
Santa.
big
Get Santa over
green
here. Hello,
Santa
Santa.
Claus.
Hello, Santa.
Aqua Santa.
Oh my God,
God.
that's heavy.
Oh wow! Look,
Whoa.
another Christmas
Is
item.
that a nutcracker?
It's a
I
nutcracker.
think it's an action calendar.
So what do you think of that, folks? You got a nutcracker, silver
advent
balls, and
calendar.
a Santa that looks like something else.
I think this
A very appropriate family-friendly
Yeah,
Santa Claus.
there we
I
go.
think this is an advent calendar. It has a lot of.
Oh my
And
gosh.
Eddie and Nick, if you're watching this video, I hope you're cracking up right now.
Santa is sparkly and not have glitter all over me.
So
Santa.
we'll see what else. Probably getting empty now.
We gotta
after
open
all
that
this.
advent calendar later, guys.
Wow, this is a pretty good box. It is different stuff. That's
It is.
amazing. What is that?
Ashland Christmas. What? It doesn't say
What
what
is
it
it?
is.
Oh,
A
ornaments.
glass? Was it an ornament?
Yeah.
Oh, it's, is it Bob's? Christmas Bobs. We'll use them on our tree this next year. And we got hooks, it looks like, for, is that what that is?
Yeah.
For Bob's?
Yeah.
You got a Christmas one, and I got an Easter one.
And I got more.
And another one. We'll probably never use those, but
No, these are the ones that we currently have for the tree.
yeah.
The other ones are
Yeah.
different.
Another
Oh, no.
Christmas decoration. It says joy.
Well, that's going on the door.
Oh, what
Oh,
did
no.
they do with
It's
this?
glitter.
What did they make me, a glitter bomb?
Is that it?
No, there's one more thing here. Oh, two
Oh,
more
and
things. Oh,
yeah.
they're all full of glitter.
she'll
God,
probably
that's
use them
mine.
for
That's
crafts.
mine,
And then
guys.
there's these. I think there's like cinnamon,
Potpourri.
which is like tree bark, I think.
Yeah, you can put that in a bowl and make it smell good in the house. Give that to mommy. She likes
It
stuff like
smells
that.
really good. Smell it.
I literally think they made me a glitter
You
bomb.
want to smell it?
Yeah, sure.
It smells really good.
How did they have to put some glitter in it?
Oh, it reminds you of Christmas. It's that
It just smells
wintry
like,
cinnamon.
like a chocolate carnival or something. It's
Cinnamon. It's like
Yeah.
wintry cinnamon smell.
like a hot cocoa.
Like yeah, it's like sit down and have hot chocolate with this smell. It'd be so relaxing. But
Oh, wait,
yeah,
hang on, Mother. Do you
So-
want to put stuff back in the box?
we'll keep this out. Take that downstairs for Christmas,
Do you want to do yours next and I'll do mine last?
and we'll put that in the garage or the basement for Christmas decorations.
Mother's turn. I'll go on last.
You want to put that stuff back in the other box, and we'll
Yeah.
take that downstairs.
Man, I hate glitter.
This is like Avid.
Start handing all this to. Yeah, that's what that is. Why didn't you say that? It's a advent calendar.
I said that
What is this
like
thing?
No, I'm talking about mommy should have told me. I didn't know. But these smell so good. We'll probably get a bowl and put that in a bowl
Yeah.
and set it like by the couch or
I
something.
think that'd be
No,
one.
I'm taking the bigger ones. Y'all can have the tiny ones because those are the ones that are scented. The big ones aren't scented.
No, the scented one.
Yeah, I know.
Where are you putting that?
I'm just gonna put this with the other one, and then we'll just go through it later.
Well, I mean, we'll take the cinnamon out for now, or to lose its
for now,
smell.
if you want to.
Yeah, use it for the house to make the house smell good. There you go. So my wife's opening her box now.
Glitter in my eye. Santa Claus got everywhere.
Mommy, you ain't supposed to look. You're supposed to pull one item out at a time. Another
another
Santa
Santa?
Claus. Well, it's another.
Santa!
It's a red one this time.
Now we have both colors.
It just don't look right. I'm sorry.
It
folks.
looks amazing.
What is that?
You just have to use your
Garland.
imagination.
Huh?
Garland, I guess.
Garland? That ain't garland.
That's what you use.
It's
for
like ribbon or something
Yeah.
for decorations for like maybe a.
It says
outside the Christmas tree or
Christmas
something.
Noel. Who's Noel?
I don't know what you use that for.
Use it for the poles outside, but during Christmas.
Yeah, or
yeah.
something.
Wait, it's
Oh,
like
okay.
fuzzy.
Yeah, because there's a candy cane one.
Oh, this one feels different from the other.
So we'll use those at Christmas time. We'll have a lot of Christmas decorations. Hey, there's a
It
red
says
one.
this is $25.
We'll look like the North
It said
Pole.
it's $25.
Yeah,
Wow.
for
Yeah,
just
they
one
are.
of them.
Just
These-
one roll.
One roll was
So each $25, so
$25
$75 out of a $5 box.
box.
God.
That's crazy.
Happy.
What's that? A
She's
Christmas.
wearing that next year.
put that
Who's
on
wearing
Dixie.
that at
No,
Christmas?
put that on Dixie.
Dixie can wear it at
It's a light
Christmas
up.
time.
I see this thing,
It
right?
lights up.
Oh yeah.
Deck the halls, guys.
What's that?
Holiday wreath.
Happy, there's something you can make for Christmas. Or Forbes.
It's like a 4-year-old.
I don't do.
Another craft?
Merry Christmas garland.
There you go. We'll put that up at Christmas. Well, we're going to look like the North Pole now. We got 2 Christmas boxes
We're
We're
already.
finally gonna beat the neighbor.
Yeah, we're going to beat the neighbor on decorating this year.
Another
So-
one of these.
Wow, we're going to have those
$100.
all over the
Maybe
place.
that's how he got so much. How he got so
$100.
much.
Oh,
Good Lord.
$125.
We can do the deck now. We can wrap it around the back deck. and
$150.
front deck and
There's some little
there's some
ribbon.
craft stuff Epi can
That's
have.
little ribbon.
Yeah, Epi can have that for a craft. Put that in your craft box,
And then
Epi.
another one of those.
I'm gonna
wreaths.
put it all. I'm gonna sort through it all later.
Oh,
And the
Jesus,
Christmas
this
stuff, we'll just take
This
it
says it's
downstairs.
$13.
You
Yeah,
can
it
put
would've been
those in
13
it, and
by
the Santa, all the big
Well,
ribbons.
I'm just putting it all back in there, and then we can sort through it later because it's a lot of stuff.
How is this
We need to do them
$13?
crafts before Christmas
doesn't
if
make
you
any
want. It
sense.
doesn't matter.
So those
How is this
ribbons would have been
$13?
$25 just by itself.
Stuff's expensive, Ford.
It is from Michael's.
That's why I said
In Canadian dollars, it would have been 17.
We're not in
the
Canada.
economy's getting
Canadian?
really bad. It's terrible. I mean,
Wow.
hopefully,
Canadian? What's Canadian?
Hope-
I don't know. I
hopefully it gets
accidentally
better.
said Canada. I don't know.
that's all I'll say about that. I don't discuss politics on here.
That's a good thing.
And now it's getting ready to be my daughter's
Yay!
turn here. So this is the last box. I mean, we got well over $200, $300 worth of stuff for
For sure.
$20. Yeah. So if you want to get these boxes, you go to Michael's. If you're into crafts or decorations, It's well worth it, $5. So far we got one Easter and or Valentine's and
2 Christmas.
so after Easter I'm sure they'll have more and there'll be Easter ones.
Alright.
So we don't know what's in this one, but I'm
I don't
sure
know, but
it's
this
some.
box is not like.
But it's cool because every box has had something different so far. Hopefully,
See another Santa.
well, we're gonna have a lot of those
Santa.
Santas everywhere.
Santa. Love Santa. Is this a scented
Yeah.
one?
Oh yeah,
This is another scented one.
just lay it there. We'll put them around the house. Same smell.
Yeah, well, sort of. Lights or ornaments.
Another ornaments there. More smelly cones.
These.
Those
Whatever these
silver
are.
balls again.
Wait, what does it say? It says tag decoration.
Yeah, we'll just have to put them like in a vase for Christmas
Something
decorate.
like that. I don't know.
Yeah,
There's a tree.
those silver things again. Another Advent calendar. Is that what
Noel.
Oh, another Noel. We can put that on each side of the door, maybe, or one inside, one outside.
You can use that door too.
Yeah. Yeah, we can use the back door here.
Ornament
too.
thingies.
Oh, wow. Save them for a yard sale. Maybe somebody
Something
buys.
like that. Another smell thing.
We can put one in your bedroom, one in our bedroom, one in the living room. The whole house will smell good.
Put one in the bathroom.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a great idea.
And
Put a
then
bowl in the bathroom.
ornaments. Very, very glittery ornaments.
Well, you can use them for your
And
craft.
then a box full of glitter.
Put that with your craft.
I will in a second.
Is that
I'm
it?
gonna put, yeah, that's it.
So we got 3 Christmas boxes and one. So see what they do is after the holidays, what they don't sell, they make into gift boxes. Because they make, hey, $5 is better than not making any profit at all. I don't
These
understand
things
these
would've
stores. That's the smelly
They would have
stuff.
been like $7 a piece just for one.
$7 a piece.
Mama can put them around the house, make the house smell good.
One in the bathroom.
So that was that. I hope you enjoyed it. So like I said, if you want one of these boxes, you can go to Michael's and get these boxes for $5. Usually after the holiday, like Easter's coming up. So after Easter, they'll probably have ones for Easter.
It's definitely worth it. You get a good amount of money out of it.
Yeah, and I mean, if you like decorations for each holiday, I'd say go do it. And
And
there's a
even
lot of crafts for your kids.
Even if you don't want this stuff, if you sell it at a yard sale, you're gonna make good
Oh
money out of
yeah,
it.
you can make money off that for sure if you really want to. So this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this short video, mystery boxes at Michael's craft store. And I ask if you're watching to please subscribe if you haven't already, and tell your friends and family about my channel. Give this a thumbs up, and feel free to leave comments, suggestions. As always, this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.